Ever wondered what magical formula spits out that Redfin estimate, telling you what your neighbor's house or even your house is worth? Let's unlock the secrets behind the Redfin estimate, breaking down exactly how this automated valuation tool works. First, the foundation data. Redfin pulls information from a massive network. Think public records like county assessor data, multiple listing services, that's the MLS, recent sales of comparable homes, tax assessments, and a whole treasure trove of property characteristics like square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and lot size. The more data, the better the estimate. This data then feeds into Redfin's proprietary algorithm. This isn't some simple calculation. It's a complex model that constantly learns and adapts as new information becomes available. The algorithm weighs various factors, giving different importance to each based on its impact on home values in a specific area. Think of things like location, obviously, the condition of the property, any recent renovations or upgrades. A sparkling new kitchen versus one stuck in the 70s can make a big difference. And even prevailing market trends. Is it a buyer's or seller's market? Are interest rates climbing or falling? All of this is factored in. Now, keep in mind the Redfin estimate is just that, an estimate. It's a starting point. Market conditions can change rapidly, and nuances of a property that an algorithm can't pick up, like that breathtaking view or the charming quirks, can significantly impact its true value. So, use the Redfin estimate as a valuable tool for understanding market trends and getting a general sense of your home's worth. But always consult with a local real estate professional for a more accurate and personalized valuation. They can provide expertise that no algorithm can match.